Welcome everyone. In this Python tutorial, we will study about string slicing. String slice is a part of string containing some contiguous character from the string. So let's see the example. If we have a string str named as wonderful, so we will just see what does str2 colon 4 means. So this position is known as the starting position and this is the ending position. Object left of the colon is your starting string. So if I see this picture, so it starts from 2 to 4. It starts from 2 and ends to 4. But here you need to keep in mind, while slicing the end number, we have to take 1 in minus. Like from 2 to 4, if it's given, we need to take 2 and 3, not 4, as we did in case of range. So 0 to 9, the number was taken from 0 to 8. So in the same way, if it's here, it is 2 to 4, so the number will be taken 2 and 3. So these two are the slice. So if you run this, you will get the output ND. So can you match? Okay. Now, the second one is colon 6. So if the first number is not given, by default it starts from 0 and it will go till 5. So from 0 till 5. So wonder is the answer. I'll run this. You can see wonder is 4 colon. That means the starting will be 4 and it will go till end of the word. So we'll start from 4 and it will go till end. So let's see the answer here now. Run. It's full. Can you see this? So this way we derive it on our notebooks with pen and paper. If I don't mention any number, only colon is written there, that means the number is taken from start till end. That means even these numbers are included, so the output will be wonderful. Now let's take slicing in terms of backward indexing. So if we talk about backward indexing, it starts from -4 and goes till -1. So -1 plus 1, -1, so till -2. So from -4 to -2, so RFU. If we don't mention anything, that means it starts from -9 to -2. So -9 to -2. -9 to -4. So it's wonder. I'll just run and see it's wonder. Again from -4 if it ranges till end. So we will have -4 till end. So this is R full. So run and see R full. Okay. Now if I write 2 colon 7, I get the output NDRF. And again the second one. So if you just have a look at both of these, when we are introducing the third number in the slicing, this tells you the step value. So if we don't mention the third string, the by default step value is 1. Okay. But if we mention, it will take the corresponding step value. So answer. Now how do we calculate this? So we have wonderful here. So the range is from 2 to 7. That means 2 to 6. So 2 to 6 we will just color. Okay. So our slice is 2 to 6. Now it is the step of 2. That means this and this. So the answer will be NEF. Run and see, and you get the NEF. Okay. Now when you run this and you see, so here in this, the whole string will be taken and it is giving you the output in the backward indexing form. So the very first letter will be L, then you'll have F, E, N and W as this as an answer. Okay, and if you say str colon colon 3, and in the whole array we will have the skipping of 3. So the first one will be W to skip the F. Okay, and we'll run and see this. The answer is WDN F. WDN F. So hopefully I've understood this slicing by these examples. Okay. Now let's talk about ordinal value. So what is ordinal value? Ordinal is a Unicode value. So every character in Python has a unique value. Like for example, your alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H has a value. Your digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 9 has different values. Okay, so this is ordinal value. Let's run and see. So the answer is 52. So the ordinal value for 4 is 52. So if you want to see it here, it is a table. From 0 to 9 it ranges from 48 to 57. So 0 will have the value 48, 1 will have 49, 2 will have 50, 3 will have 51 and 4 will have 52. So the answer is 52. Can you see this? Now here capital A ranges from 65 to 90 and small a ranges from 97 to 122. Now if I know the ordinal value and I need to know the character that is represented, I will just write CHR and in bracket I will write the ordinal value and run this. So I'll get 4. So if I write here 66, I will get answer capital B. If I write 98, I will get answer small b. Thanks for watching the video.